Kayaba Industry Co. Limited. Kayaba Kogyo Kabushiki-gaisha, known also by its popular name KYB Corporation, is a Japanese, Tokyo-based automotive company. The company's main products include shock absorbers, air suspensions, power steering systems, hydraulic pumps, motors, cylinders, and valves. It is one of the world's largest shock absorber manufacturer, and it also has the largest market share of concrete mixer trucks in Japan with 85% of the market. The company has 34 manufacturing plants and 62 offices in 21 countries. Business segments and products. Automotive and motorcycle products equals automotive components equals shock absorbers, semi-active air suspensions, adjustable shock absorbers, power steering systems, electric power steering units, EPS, four-wheel steering, 4WS, electric actuator, solenoid, sensors, noise-resistant pressure sensors, equals motorcycle components equals suspensions, shock absorbers for ATVs, shock absorbers for snowmobiles, hydraulic components, used in construction machinery, industrial vehicles, agricultural machinery, railroad equipment, industrial machinery, building equipment, civil engineering equipment and stage equipment, equals testers equals high precision leak tester, portable fatigue testers, gate type fatigue testers, torsional fatigue testers, internal pressure fatigue testers, shock absorbers testers, noise check systems, road simulators for automobiles, road simulators for motorcycles, simulators for research and training, aeronautical, special purpose vehicles and marine products, aircraft components, special purpose vehicles, marine components, environment, welfare and disaster prevention products, self-propelled waste checker conveyors, earthquake simulator trucks, biomixes, chipping vehicle for pruned branches, vehicle for shredding sensitive documents, shock absorbers for chair skis, solar projectors, mobile keeper, remote monitor camera with server function. Source: aircraft manufacturing. Aircraft manufacturing during and after World War II. The company between 1939 and 1941 developed several gliders, autogyros and research aircraft for the Imperial Japanese Army. These are Kayaba Ku-1, Kayaba Ku-2, Kayaba Ku-3, Kayaba Ku-4, Kayaba Cargo, Kayaba Ka-1, Kayaba Ka-2, Kimura HK-1. After the war, in 1954, the company built a gyrodyne, named Kayaba heliplane. The development of this aircraft started in 1952 when Shiro Kayaba, the founder of the company, obtained the fuselage of a Cessna 170B and, during the following 2 years, turned it into a converter plane. Official global website. In English.